Let us see some of the questions regarding Node.js, like interview questions. Um, I have some 8 questions regarding Node.js that can be asked in an interview. Our first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is runtime that runs JavaScript on the server side using an event-driven, non-blocking input-output model, making it efficient for real-time applications. Where Apache is a web server that often runs PHP for server-side scripting, using a thread-based synchronous execution model. Node.js is suited for high input or output operations, while Apache with PHP is better for traditional web applications. Now let us go to the second question. What is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback function in Node.js is passed as an argument to another function and executed after an asynchronous operation completes. They are used in Node.js to handle non-blocking operations, allowing the application to remain responsive while waiting for tasks like file input or output or network requests. Okay. Let us go to third question. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file manages a node.js project's metadata, dependencies, and scripts. The key properties that are found in this file are name, version, dependencies, um, dev dependencies, scripts, main, etc. Next, let us go to fourth question. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When, why would you use one of over the other? Require is used in common JS modules and is synchronous and is the default for Node.js, and import is used in ECMA script modules or ESM modules and is asynchronous and provides static analysis for tree shaking. Use require for folder for older Node.js environments and import for modern projects supporting ESM modules. Let us go to fifth question. What is middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware functions in Express.js handle request response and can call the next middleware. They are used to modify requests, add headers, handle authentication, etc. Next, let us go to sixth question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API follows REST principles using HTTP methods to perform CRUD operations. The HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete, etc. Next, seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM manages Node.js project dependencies. Using npm init to create package.json, npm install to add dependencies, and npm update to update them. Npm also runs scripts defined in package.json files, simplifying project setup and management. Next, let us go to 8th question. Why it is important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords secures them by transforming them into fixed length hashes using cryptographic algorithms. This protects password from being exposed if the database is compromised. Hashing is crucial for security and compliance with data protection regulations, preventing attackers from easily accessing user credentials. So, some of the questions that are asked regarding Node.js are explained in this video.